I've been having a lot of fun messing around with NERF Blasters and DIY NERF Blasters, so I figure why not combine the best of both worlds and also the best of neither of those worlds. We got a knockoff NERF Blaster from Temu. Let's check it out. It's also on AliExpress and Amazon, but the funny thing about Amazon is they don't let you buy it if you're in America. It's classified as a restricted item. Luckily for me, Temu and apparently AliExpress have no such limitations. Comes in that box covered in Chinese. I don't want to get demonetized, so I'm not going to read that out loud, but I'm excited. Whew. Oh wow, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Do not modify darts or blaster. We'll see about that. Oh, and here is the battery assembly. I guess we gotta do that ourselves, huh? If you can see there's a little picture of a screwdriver indicating that's where the battery goes. It did say 14 and up on the box, so this is pretty serious business. This is not like off the shelf, go have fun, kids. This is like some assembly required, nerds. Oh, I see. Oh, yep, gotta charge it. Alright, been charged up. Let's see what we're working with here. Not gonna lie, that's a pain in the butt if you gotta do that every time you recharge. Holy cow. Oh my god. That's insane. Okay. Here goes nothing. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh my god, what did I buy? Does it hurt? Ow! Yes, it does. Let's take a look at how this thing works. So first off, we got the magazine loaded up with our EVA foam darts and just has a spring that feeds them up into this top part where it stops them. And then when you insert it in there, it fits it up perfectly right there. This little plunger comes out and pushes the darts into this these flywheels, I think you call them. But even if you don't have the magazine in there, you can still see it working. So here's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Ow! Why did I put my hand in front of that? That hurts so much. Ow! But you get the idea. That was so dumb. Ow. This thing is an unreasonable amount of fun. And other than the battery, which is a weird situation, I only have one complaint, and it is that this magazine does not contain nearly enough darts to take full advantage of the power of this little thing. So we're gonna fix that. First thing we're gonna need is a lot more darts. Specifically, 100 more darts. Once we have all the darts our hearts could desire, we have to figure out a way to get them all at once, one after the other, through this handle and into the mechanism where it can rest perfectly and be fired. And to do that, the first thing I did was 3D print this little magazine, and all this does is slides up in there, can load up a bunch of darts in it this way, and then flip the whole shebang upside down. And now we're using gravity to pull the darts down instead of a spring to push the darts up, so we simply have to hold the gun upside down, after which it can be fired. That works fantastically well. Now it's time to figure out how to get a bunch more darts shoved down this shaft. That came out weird. Let's go test this thing out. Welcome to the hallway of science. It looks like a normal hallway, but the keen-eyed among you will notice that it is a normal hallway. Here we go. Well, my neighbor just stopped by to yell at me. I guess some people don't like having fun at 8 a.m. Well, this thing doesn't work. Yeah, the darts don't stay oriented correctly and they go and jam up the mechanism. That sucks. This took like 10 hours to make. Luckily, we have the power of video editing on our side, so let's all pretend that I'm a competent engineer and I am able to make this thing fire 100 darts one after the other. Here we go. There you go, 100 darts fired all at the same time, and the people that skipped ahead to the end of the video are probably hella confused right now. And there you have it. If you want to pick one of these bad boys up, I'll have links to everything down below, and if you got any ideas for what I can do with such a contraption, let me know in the comments. Take it easy, folks. See you next time.